Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is our no contact reading for all the Taurus Sun Moon Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. And I'm creating a self-love course that's life-changing, that's going to give you a feeling of a rebirth. It's soon to be launched. Okay, let's start, Taurus. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the High Priestess, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant. This person is very, very confused, very emotionally lost, very emotionally confused. They can't stop thinking about you. At the same time, this person is feeling, what do you feel about them? This person definitely does have options. Taurus, you are not the only person, or you are not the only option they have in their life. They have other options too, but they can't stop thinking about you. At the same time, they are not able to understand what they actually feel for you, and they feel like you too have a lot of options, a lot of people, and a lot of energies around you. For some of you, you are behaving somewhat mysterious, and this is like making this person go mad, go more crazy, go more restless. So whatever you're doing, maybe you are behaving mysterious. One day you are posting something on social media, maybe, and another day you are vanishing, and then you are doing something. You might be doing your own simple thing, but this person is feeling like you are doing something to make them go mad or something like that, even if you're not doing it deliberately. So this is someone who is having other options too, but they are uh, stuck on you, and they don't know what you feel about them, and they don't know what they feel about you. But the only thing that they can understand right now is that they can't stop thinking about you and the situation. Yep. Let's see, what do you want from this, what this person wants from you, what are their intentions. Okay, Taurus. We have the Ace of Cups and the Emperor and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, see, this person wants to come back towards you and offer you a cup of love, but this person wants to keep the charge of the situation in their own hands. This is your card, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This person wants to keep the charge of the situation in their own hands. They are like, I am never going to give the command to Taurus. I'm never going to let them, lead this connection or lead this relationship or whatever. So they want to come forward towards you, but with their own terms and conditions. Okay, might be this is somebody who doesn't know how stubborn a Taurus is, and you cannot lead a Taurus. You cannot, until unless they want it to be like led by you. You cannot. Hmm? So somebody is in this delusion of, okay, I want Taurus back, I want to give them love, but I just want to take the charge of the situation in my hands, and I am going to lead the situation. This is what they want, and this is next to impossible when you are dealing with a Taurus or any earth sign, maybe. But Taurus is the most stubborn one. This person does love you. They does love you. They does have emotions. They does feel a soulmate kind of dynamic, but they're stubborn as hell. And for some of you, fake as hell. Hmm. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 6th of April, honey. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Chariot. Wow. See, what is happening here is this person is going to put some effort in the situation. Meanwhile, manifesting this energy of, universe, please help me to make this work out between me and Taurus. This person is not going to make a lot of efforts, but this person will start putting in some efforts in this direction. Meanwhile, putting more efforts in manifesting this energy of making this work out with you. So basically, if I am in no contact with you and I have to connect with you, I'm going to put some efforts, maybe calling you or texting you here and there, but not taking any kind of solid action, but manifesting this energy of, universe, please help me to make this work out between me and this person, me and Taurus. Yeah. I don't know how it works, but there is a huge manifestation of making this work out between you and them is going on. meanwhile put like taking some kind of action here and there, and from their side they feel like this is the best that they can do at this present moment. For you, the guidance here is Three of Pentacles. Don't waste your time or energy into something that you know is not giving you equal give and take of energy, equal partnership, equal happiness, equal respect. Yeah. So Taurus, by if by any chance you're wasting your time and energy onto something that you know is not good for you, please don't do that. Start investing in people, situations, and things that you know are going to give you equal respect, equal energy of love, and equal time and efforts. Then only move forward. When in love, we can't be practical, Taurus. I can understand that, right? We people are anyway ruled by Venus, and it's a planet of love only. So even if you are madly in love with this person, try to understand the point here. If you're not getting what you want, if you are getting the disrespect only, if you're getting the energy of, okay, I'll come back to you whenever I want to and I will leave whenever I want to, make sure you are doing the right thing here. That's what I can say. Choose yourself. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.